Welcome, and thank you for watching. In this video, you'll learn how to use a manual breast pump correctly and safely. This content is for breastfeeding education purposes only. A manual breast pump is a simple device that helps mothers express breast milk using gentle hand pressure. It is quiet, portable, and easy to control. Before pumping, wash your hands and ensure all pump parts are clean and dry. Assemble the pump by attaching the breast shield to the bottle and connecting the handle securely. Sit in a comfortable position and relax your shoulders. Place the breast shield over your breast, making sure the nipple is centered. Begin pumping with slow, gentle squeezes to stimulate milk flow. Once milk begins flowing, continue with a steady rhythm. Pumping should never be painful. When milk flow slows, stop pumping and store the milk safely. Manual breast pumps help support flexible and comfortable breastfeeding.